Cooking is an art, and every artist deserves the right tools. If you've ever wanted to bring authentic Chinese flavors into your home, this Shuoguoleilei Chinese hand-hammered iron wok is your gateway to culinary perfection. This hand-hammered masterpiece is crafted with precision and passion, undergoing 12 intricate processes and 36,000 hand hammers to achieve its iconic mirror-like finish. This wok isn't just another kitchen tool. It's a tribute to centuries of Chinese cooking traditions. Designed with a blue carbon steel construction, it delivers exceptional heat conductivity, allowing you to sear, stir-fry, and sauté like a professional chef. The more you use it, the better it becomes, thanks to its natural seasoning process that enhances its non-stick properties over time. Ready to learn how this wok can transform your cooking experience? Let's dive into its unique features, why it's a must-have for your kitchen, and how it outperforms the competition. Key features and benefits. Number 1. Craftsmanship at its finest. Made in China, this wok is a work of art. The 36,000 hand hammers give it an intricate texture that not only looks stunning, but also improves cooking performance. Its mirror surface ensures that ingredients slide smoothly, reducing sticking and making cooking a breeze. Number 2. Naturally non-stick without coatings. Unlike other woks that rely on chemical coatings, this wok uses a special surface treatment that bonds with oil naturally. This makes it safer, healthier, and more durable. Over time, the pan develops a protective layer of iron oxide, enhancing its non-stick properties and extending its lifespan. Number 3. Blue carbon steel construction. The wok's blue carbon steel material offers unmatched thermal conductivity. Heat is evenly distributed, ensuring your food cooks quickly and thoroughly. Whether you're stir-frying vegetables or preparing a tender beef dish, this wok delivers consistent results every time. Number 4. Health benefits of iron cooking. As you cook, small amounts of beneficial iron are absorbed into your food, providing an essential nutrient your body needs. This makes the Shuoguoleilei wok not just a tool for cooking delicious meals, but also a contributor to a healthier lifestyle. Number 5. Versatility across all stovetops. This wok is compatible with electric, induction, and gas stoves, making it suitable for any kitchen setup. Its round bottom ensures optimal heat distribution, while the non-stick surface makes cleanup easy and hassle-free. Number 6. Perfect size for family cooking. At 14 inches, this wok is spacious enough to prepare meals for families or gatherings, yet compact enough to handle with ease. Its ergonomic design allows for effortless tossing and flipping, giving you full control over your dishes. Why choose the Shuoguoleilei wok over others? Unlike standard woks with coatings that peel or degrade over time, the Shuoguoleilei hand-hammered iron wok is built to last. Its uncoated surface ensures you don't have to worry about harmful chemicals, while its handcrafted design adds a unique aesthetic touch to your kitchen. How to use and care for your wok. To get the most out of this wok, number 1. Season regularly. Before using it for the first time, season the pan by heating oil to create a natural non-stick layer. Number 2. Avoid acidic foods. Foods like tomatoes or vinegar can disrupt the seasoning process. Number 3. Clean with care. Hand wash your wok and dry it immediately to prevent rust. Avoid using harsh detergents. Number 4. Store properly. Store in a dry place to maintain its condition and longevity. Customer reviews. What others are saying? Users rave about the Shuoguoleilei wok, calling it a game-changer for their cooking. Many highlight its durability, even heat distribution, and natural non-stick surface as standout features. It has received high praise for its craftsmanship and ability to bring authentic Chinese flavors to home kitchens. Conclusion: a wok that combines tradition and innovation. This Shuoguoleilei Chinese hand-hammered iron wok isn't just a cooking pan. It's a journey into the heart of Chinese culinary tradition. With its stunning craftsmanship, natural non-stick properties, and exceptional performance, this wok stands out as a must-have kitchen tool. Whether you're an experienced chef or a home cook looking to elevate your meals, this wok offers unmatched versatility and quality. It's the perfect combination of durability, functionality, and aesthetic appeal. Don't miss out on the chance to transform your cooking experience. Order your Shuoguoleilei hand-hammered wok today and discover the joy of authentic Chinese cooking. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.